Hey everybody, Delbert Woodie coming at you today. Pardon me. Just want to let you know that I am an Enagic water ionizer distributor, independent distributor. And matter of fact, there is our unit.
Power on, Kangen water 9.5.
I don't know if you heard that. It said power on, Kangen water 9.5. Guys, let me tell you, these water ionizers, they're the best in the world. They are certified as medical grade. They have 3 ISO certifications: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 14385. That one says that it's medical grade. They are backed by the Water Quality Association of America. They are also backed by the Japanese Ministry of Health, and that's the country in which they are manufactured. They are manufactured by Enagic, a Japanese company that's doing business worldwide. They're awesome machines. The water that they manufacture or produce, it's just a very special water. It really is. And let me say this, that they make no claim that the water will cure or heal or is treatment of any kind. They mitigate nothing like that. But the water is very special. In different regions of the world, the water that this machine produces actually occurs naturally. 4 of them are Leveluk, Mexico, Lourdes, France, Nordenau, Germany, Delhi, India, and that's just to name 4 right off the bat. There's a few more. And a matter of fact, if you can remember Magic Johnson, he had, or has, I don't know, I don't ever hear much about him anymore, but I think he used to play for the LA Lakers, had HIV, the HIV virus. He used to travel to Leveluk, Mexico to get this water to help with his HIV virus. Now he has one of these SD501s like you see back here, like ours, and that's the water he drinks now. It helps keep his HIV virus in check. And the water, like I said, the water is awesome water. Me personally, I'm in my 60s, but back in the middle 80s, I was in a couple of pretty bad accidents and fractured a total of 5 discs. And for the past 30 years, I have suffered with pains in my lower back, shooting, electrical pains or shock type pains going into my legs, my rear end, all the way down to my feet. When this machine came, I had been going to a chiropractor and a professional masseuse and spending a lot of money on them. When this machine arrived, when we got our Leveluk SD501, within 10 minutes I had it up and running water. Within 3 hours and about 2.5 quarts of water, I was pain-free after 30 years. Not only did it help with that pain, it helped with arthritis. When you get up in my age, and let's face it, how many of you out there are in your 50s and 60s that have arthritis or bursitis or rheumatoid arthritis? This water works wonders, because whether you want to realize it or not, you're dehydrated. And this water will hydrate you better than any water and any other liquid. And the reason why is when you cut the water on, it goes through the so-called engine of the product, excuse me, and it gets a boost of 230 watts of electricity. That breaks those molecules down that are normally 19 to 25 molecules per cluster, and breaks them down to about 4 or 5, enabling them to enter into your body's cells at the cellular level, or enter your body at the cellular level. And it does an awesome job of hydrating you. And when it does that, you see things start to happen. I'm telling you what, the machines work. The water it produces, it works. No other way to put it. Guys, you need to get one of these machines. I'm serious. You will never regret it. Visit our website, wateryoucantrust.info. Register to get our free ebook and newsletter. Click on the products, look them over. You can order straight from the website. Matter of fact, that's the only way you can get a Enagic water ionizer. You'll never regret it. 30-day money-back guarantee. And give me a call on that, 828-391-0368. Let's discuss it. Like I said, you will never, ever regret owning an Enagic water ionizer. And guys, thanks for watching the video. I know it's a little short, but my arm's getting tired. Guys, I'm just a regular everyday Joe, just like your neighbor. But this is what I do. I'm passionate about it. I love the product. I'm gonna show you something. Zija is a product that you'll see many videos here on YouTube that I used to sell their product. And let me tell you, and I'm not selling it anymore because it's kind of hard to promote two products at the same time. But let me tell you, this water and Zija go together like milk and honey. No other way to put it. But I'm going to leave my Zija videos up, even though I'm not a distributor anymore. I am an end user. I will not stop using their Moringa mixes, their core nutritional mixes, because they're awesome. They give you 92 vitamins, minerals, amino acids. They give you everything your body needs. But the water mixed with it, this water mixed with it, oh man, it's a powerhouse, and it does awesome things. And with that said, God bless you. Again, visit our website, www.wateryoucantrust.info. You can also visit wateryoucantrust.com. Watch the little demos. There's a little demo there, and then all four of our websites are just below the demo. Click on any one of them. Be sure to register again for the free ebook and weekly newsletter. And guys, God bless you. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.